silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
Bonjour. Mon Dieu. There's always one bad apple who still hasn't figured out how to silence their phone. Encore une fois. Oh, c'est moi. What are you looking at? It's not my fault that I'm so popular. Oh, mon Dieu. Another one of these haters commenting on my Instagram. Look at this little man with his squeaky buzz, thinking he's so cool just because he stirs in a cooking pot. First of all, it is very difficult to stir in a pot if you're only 6 centimeters tall. And secondly, I'm not just a little man, I'm a chef. And being a great chef is so much more than stirring in a cooking pot. To tell you, I understand where all these jealous comments come from. Chefs nowadays, they get so much attention. With all these cooking shows on television, some of them, they start to think they are the most important person in the world. Actually, maybe they are right. Because if you think about it, food is the most important thing in the world. Food is what makes the world go round. If you look at, for example, something simple as salt, did you know that in the past, salt used to attract invaders and even cause wars? So, if people go to war over salt, imagine what they would do in a world without chefs. Oh, let's see. Oh, luckily, not all people are complete fistaments. It says, how can I become such a master chef like yourself? Flattering. Honestly, I get this question like a million times. To put this to bed once and for all, let me give you 5 tips on how to become a great chef. Even if you don't know how to cook an egg, by the end of this dinner, probably you will still not be able to cook an egg. What do you expect? Another miracle worker. But I'm sure if you pay attention, you'll learn a thing or two. Or at least you'll be able to make an interesting picture for your Instagram. Hashtag most amazing dinner of my life. Hashtag Petit Chef so cute. Okay, without further ado, pay close attention. Leçon numéro 1. 3 words. History of food. In order to become a master chef, you have to study the traditions and understand where food comes from. Let's take something simple and common as the tomato. Tomatoes don't come from Italy. No. The first tomatoes came from what today is known as Peru. From there, they eventually expanded to Mexico, where they were cultivated by the Aztecs. The Aztecs grew tomatoes on chinampas, which were floating gardens around their capital city Tenochtitlan. In the 16th century, the Spanish conquistador Don Hernán Cortés arrived in the New World. The Aztec king at first believed Cortés was the returning Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god.
Scary.
But Cortés was out of toys and conquered and destroyed this beautiful Aztec city. When they sailed back to Europe, Cortés took tomato seeds with him. There, the tomato was introduced to the European aristocracy. But they got sick from eating tomatoes and even dropped dead. So they started calling it the poison apple. It's like the fairy tale from Snow White, right? Turns out it was because the rich were eating of silvery fruit plates, and the tomatoes, which are high in acidity, dissolved part of the left from the plate, and so when they ate tomatoes, they got less poisoning. Finally, in the 19th century, an Italian chef created a pizza to celebrate the visit of Queen Margherita to Naples. He made a pizza with 3 ingredients that represented the colors of the new Italian flag. Red, the tomato sauce. Right, the mozzarella cheese. Ice cream, the basic topping. And so the pizza margarita was born, which was so successful that the tomato became a popular ingredient in many different dishes. So please enjoy this ingredient which made such beautiful travels over different continents. On a side note, we, the French, got convinced that tomatoes had powerful
Tomato
aphrodisiac
layer.
qualities, and so we called them pommes d'amour, love apples. So, if you go home later tonight and have a nice evening, you know what I mean? Yes, well, anyways, you can thank me later. Bon appetit!
Wow, come back แล้วเหรอ No more die die. Let me sign this boy. Oh, so cute. Oh, let me just hold the boat. Whee! Oh, shoot. Oh, party! Oh, there's water. Oh, a little boat people also. Hi, I'm holding your hand. Please don't mind me. Oh, he's just running away from me. Hey, come back, come back. Don't go under my water. Yeah, I just let him die there. Ooh. It looks so magical. Oh, a little cute little person. Oh wow. It's so cute. Papa, when we gonna have food? Oh. This is the food right now. I think I'm gonna eat that. Tomato, a tomato, and some flowers. I think. I don't want all. I feel like I will don't like all. Time to eat. Taking off the tomatoes. Hmm? I'm just taking out all the stuff. Time to dig in. Yummy.
There's a screen inside there.
Can you eat that one? Don't like.
It's jelly. It's a jelly. This is a stick. This is a stick.
I thought it was real tomato.
Kiểu tomato ra được đây nào?
Yummy. It's so yummy.
This one. The tomato.
The tomato.
Oh, you almost don't want to eat.
It's so yummy, guys. Huh? Papa, what do you mean string? What that?
Soup. Tomato soup. Fun?
Tomato soup?
You just say.
Okay, later.
Just say if you don't like it. Just try it.
I'm gonna eat some bread right now. Okay, there's some. Fabulous. I think I killed the bread like 5 times already. Later I drink. I feel like my teeth gonna 掉了 from the bread. I know, that's why I like the bread also, ma. You eat so fast. Time to eat another of the bread. Can you stand up? I don't want to use all. That's fun. I never realized it's already gone now. Huh? Trying. Ooh la la. That's yummy.
No, it's healthy. Turn the camera. How to turn?
No, just put the water there.
How you turn the camera?
No. Just like that, yeah.
Okay, you can see you. Okay.
You want to have stream mà nó có stream. Mà you want to have. Không phải cho.
Tomato. Okay. You can dip tomato soup. This is what I do with tomato just now, right?
Tomato.
Do the big tomatoes inside here.
Yeah, a bit spicy, eh? 一点辣。
No, it's not spicy.
Let's try it. Tastes always like my meatball soup. This is very yummy. This one呢，就是有一点辣辣。I feel spicy oh. No wonder. Got cranberry. 好吃哦。这里的 cranberry 呢？这 cranberry 甜甜的，没事的。没事耶。That is yummy. I know. Let me just hold you first, and let me just take my water. Cheers. Okay, I think that's enough for me. I want to eat bit more. Okay, I'll try. I'll eat for you. You eat the tomato soup for me. Okay, now. And we have a little rolly pan. Mommy, all the way to the French all the way to Malaysia 是几小时的？几小时吧。Maybe. Okay. Looks cool. Looks very cool. I call it a mile, but. 那个是没铁的，想看。Someone is just planting stuff. Can I take the red one? Huh? What's that? At least can you help me open this? At least can you just open it first? Huh? Suffocated? For what leh? We got come here before meh? Oh. You know what? Which one is the funniest part? Like just now one which one is the most funniest part? The most funniest part for me is the cussing word. When it's him just cussing around. Come back from Japan. Today? Yeah, no. Okay. Mommy, what's your favorite part about the thing? The 3D? The picture are very nice. You know what's the most funniest part for me? The cussing. Oh yeah, okay. Can you some water because I want to have some veggie stuck on the teeth. You say E for me. Yeah, you say. Now? No more. Is that the chef? Looks very cool. Those are your one.
Hello, good evening everyone. Hope you enjoyed the first meal of today. I was like, how was it? Like the first tomato meal for today. You guys enjoy it?
Do you enjoy it?
Right?
Yeah.
Great. Well, just let you know there are more than one dish. So if you guys are fans of tomatoes, that's great. If you're not, then I'm sorry to hear that. But don't worry, that will be your only tomato dish for today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Umar. I'll be your host for today. So I'm going to make it the opening because it's quite traffic in KL is pretty much a problem these days. However, do not worry, I'm here to entertain you. Of course, hopefully you are entertained and the food is of course delicious. But before we start, let's see a show of hands here. Who here have tried this experience before? No? First time for everyone? First time? Great. Great, great. Then I don't know what you have in store. As well as you can see in front of you, you have brushes and table. Please do take one. Please do take one.
Papa, can
Because
help me
we'll be
pass the,
using them for the next
the
activity.
red one? Yeah,
Yes.
red. My
I
favorite
mentioned
color.
the food just now didn't require a lot of physical interaction, but now this one requires a lot of.
My favorite one is the bread.
You look for one in bread? Nice, I like that. That was my favorite one as well, actually. Well, right. So,
Thank you.
for the next lesson, we're learning about how to plate your dishes. Don't worry, the dishes will be coming, right? However, I would like to let you know that the chef himself will let you know on how to plate your dishes. Of course, with the help from me, of all people as well, to help with that. Well, without further ado, are you guys ready for the next lesson to start?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I think they're ready. Let's start the next session.
Stop the video.
I want to.
You don't do your
How was the law, Apple? Everybody keep their hands above the table, please. Time for our next lesson. The art of plating. They say a great chef needs to be like an artist. And they are right, because you eat first